guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an updated lash extension tutorial. So it's literally been a whole year since my old lash extension tutorial, but today I'm showing you as a professional lash tech how I would do mine. And if you guys would like to come to me, I'm based in London, so yeah, let's go on with the video. So you would like to start with clean lashes, and as you can see I'm just brushing out my lashes. Then I am going to be using this power primer to prime my eyes. I'm going to be using these micro q-tips to apply this onto my eyes so that the glue sticks onto the lash properly. So for this style I'm going to be using a mix of C's and D's, and I'll show you guys the exact lengths I use with my lash map. I'm going to put it right here. So the white is the D curl and the black is the C curl, but you don't have to do the black, it was just so that it can be a bit more wispy for me. Before I apply the lashes, I'm going to show you guys a few tips on how to make it a bit more easier when doing them. So there is a sticky tape underneath the lash extensions, and what you're going to do is you're just going to take that off and place it on the back of your hand so that you're not always reaching for the lash tray when applying your lashes. And for this lash style, instead of doing them individually, I am going to be creating my own fans. And if you guys want an in-depth tutorial on that, just let me know in the comments down below. Now for the most asked question that I get on this channel is, what glue do I use? And to be honest, it varies. I'm not going to tell you guys exactly what glue you should use, but I'm going to say whatever glue you buy, do a patch test on the corner of your eyes and make sure that it's not for professional use, because you would need to have your eyes closed for this type of glue. So the glue I use is the Fadran glue or the Ardell glue. I'm going to put links down below on all the glues I've ever used and which don't irritate my eyes. Also guys, I'm using a glue ring. So to separate the lashes, I am using this straight lash tweezer, and to apply the lashes I'm going to be using this curved one. As you can see, I am just finding a lash to isolate. Once I found it, I'm going to apply the glue like so, and it might fall down. It's not going to be perfect every time, but this does take a lot of practice. But I'm just going to repeat this until I feel like my lashes are quite full to my liking. Also, between doing this, make sure that you use a spoolie to brush out your lashes so there's none that fall out. I'm going to just do one last brush before I finish them, and I'm also going to sit in front of the fan just to make sure that they're all dry. And now we are done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you would want to see for a new video. All the products I use will also be in the description down below. Bye guys!